Hey guys, this is Balot Del Rosario from www.callmebalot.com and the certified professional aromatherapist behind Lana Lane PH. And today I was challenged by another certified aromatherapist, Jerbigo, to show my essential oils here at home. So I have several oil sets scattered around the house, and there are 3 places where I keep them, and today I'm gonna share them with you. So the first place where I put some of my essential oils is really just beside me. So this is my main workstation, and as you can see, let me just move it a little bit to the right. I have a diffuser here, and whenever I feel like I need some push for focus or for concentration or just to uplift my mood, I would usually diffuse for an hour. And so I keep some essential oils beside me. So I have some roller blends which I also use if I don't want to diffuse. So I have my own formula. This is the Chakra blend from Lana Lane. And then some of the oils I had from way before from Young Living. So this was around 2 years ago, and I still have it, like Breathe Again and Deep Relief. And then I also have the Counting Sheep from Rocky Mountain Oils, and this was several, I think 2 years ago na rin. And the oils that I have beside me are the ones which I usually use, but some of them are those that are near their expiry or shelf life end. So I would diffuse them just to, not waste them. So I had this from way before from YL, I think 2 years ago, the Christmas Spirit, which I'm planning to diffuse now or sometime soon. And then you saw this in my previous video, my new favorite, which is the cold pressed calamansi oil from Casa de Lorenzo. I have some blends like the Forever Mom from Plant Therapy, and I love it because it has frankincense, it has lavender and bergamot, which are some of my very favorite oils. Of course, I have peppermint here. The kids are not here in the room most of the time when I'm working, so I can diffuse peppermint. This one I just usually sniff. This is jasmine, which is one of the favorite oils that I discovered very recently. And what else is here? I have rosemary from Casa de Lorenzo. There's and I also have like a smaller tackle blends here, which I usually do when I want to try out several new oils. Like this one I got from Hill, sandalwood and rose Bulgaria. So there. So this is the first spot where I keep my oil. So if there's an oil that I would like to use during the day, I would usually put them here so that it's very accessible to me. So now let's go to the second part of the house where I keep my oils. Okay, so this is the second part of our house where I keep my oils. This is my meditation area. I'm into yoga and I'm into meditation. I'm into a lot of mindfulness and spiritual practices. I usually start my day at around 6:30 to 7, and I would start it in prayer and meditation, and this is where I do it. So this is my meditation area over there, so you can see. And as you can see, this is also where I keep some of my oils because I diffuse when I do meditate. So my diffuser is there. Yeah, and these are some of the oils which I keep handy in the morning. So Let's see. So yeah, I have some Mercury retrograde, I have abundance there, I have Wise Man from Rocky Mountain Oils, the Calm Cool Collected collection from Plant Therapy, I have Patchouli, which I know not a lot of people love, but I love it. I have Almasiga from Casa de Lorenzo, Ilang Ilang, I have several resin oils, Fantastic Franks from Plant Therapy, and frankincense, serrata, and myrrh from Rocky Mountain Oils. Then I have some blends like Let It Go from Plant Therapy, Palo Santo from Plant Therapy. I have Macroot Lime to just perk me up a bit from Aromatics International, and then Acacia. I rarely use, but I put it here just in case. So there. And so the last area where I keep my essential oils, a lot of them, actually like 80%, would be my chillers. This is where they are most days. And yeah, so let's just open a bit. And they're arranged alphabetically so that I won't have a hard time looking for them. So there, and then this one would be the formula blends that I have made for Lanolane's blends, and then I have several synergies as well from different brands. I also have here my butters and the bigger ones like the 30 mils. Yeah, so the 30 mils, and then some of the more like oils that I rarely use, like the flower oils, and then the carrier oils, the hydrosols, and the 100 mils from Plant Therapy, which I almost always use. So there you have it. Those are my essential oils scattered all over the house, and aromatherapy has touched my life in so many ways. And yeah, and I'd like, my main advocacy is really to teach safe and intentional oiling to moms so that they can blend confidently for their children, and that they don't put their children in harm's way because of a lot of misinformation that they might see and that they might actually use when doing their blend. So the internet is just a really crazy place where you sometimes can't weed out accurate and inaccurate information. And by that, let me invite you to our first ever online aromatherapy summit conducted by yours truly, together with aromatherapy educators like myself, Ira, and Jerby, and of course the founder of Essential Oil Philippines, Hill. Please do register at bit.ly/EOP Summit, and let's share the wonderful benefits of essential oils to the world, but most especially safe and intentional oiling. So have a great week, everyone, and I hope you enjoyed this little essential oil kit challenge. I didn't go into like going through all the oils because it might take us the whole day. So I hope you liked it, and stay safe. Bye!